Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between ClickUp versus Trello. Which project management tool should you choose? Project management tools are essential for staying organized and productive. ClickUp and Trello are two popular options, each with its own strengths. This guide breaks down their features, pricing, pros and cons, just to help you decide which is a better fit for your needs. Ready to find your ideal project management solution? Well, we've put a link to both ClickUp and Trello in the description of this video, so at the end you can have access to any of these services, sign up and begin. And now let's dive in. Starting with the features. Views. ClickUp offers a wide range of views including list, board or Kanban, calendar, Gantt chart, timeline, mind map, table and more. Trello, on the other hand, primarily uses Kanban board view, but offers timeline, table, calendar, and dashboard views in its paid plans. Customization. ClickUp is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor workflows, create custom fields, and adjust the interface extensively. Trello, on the other hand, offers customization through power-ups or integrations, but it's generally less flexible than ClickUp in its core functionality. Then when it comes to automation, ClickUp has robust automation features, thus allowing users to automate repetitive tasks and workflows. Trello, on the other hand, also offers automation, but through its butler feature, which is powerful but might require a learning curve for some users. When it comes to integrations, both ClickUp and Trello integrate with a wide variety of other tools, including Slack, Google Drive, and more. In the age of AI, you'd be interested to know that ClickUp offers an AI add-on called ClickUp Brain for an additional cost, while Trello offers AI features in its premium plan. And now to pricing. And starting with ClickUp. ClickUp has a free forever plan at $0 per month with limited features and 100 megabytes of storage. You have unlimited at $7 per user per month when billed annually, and it offers unlimited storage, integrations, and more. You have the business at $12 per user per month when billed annually, and it adds advanced time tracking, private documents, and more. Then you have the enterprise plan, and this is a custom pricing for larger organizations with advanced, unique needs. So you'll need to contact ClickUp for your quote. Then you have ClickUp Brain, as we mentioned earlier, which is their AI feature at $7 per user per month, which is an add-on to any other plan you might choose. Now here's our recommendation. The business plan is a popular choice for small to medium-sized teams. It balances affordability with a significant feature set, including unlimited storage and integrations. When it comes to the pricing of Trello, there is also the free plan with unlimited cards and up to 10 boards per workspace. Then you have the standard plan, which comes at $5 per month per user when billed annually, and it adds unlimited boards and custom fields. Then you have the premium at $10 per user per month when billed annually, and it introduces advanced features such as advanced views and automation and more. Then you have the enterprise, which starts at $1,750 per month per user when billed annually, and this is targeted at large organizations to meet their needs. Now our recommendation is for the premium plan, as this is good for larger teams that would like added views such as dashboard, timeline, and table views. And as with any software, we'd like to mention the pros and the cons. And starting with the pros, ClickUp is highly customizable, has wide range of views, robust automation, and a strong feature set. Trello, on the other hand, is easy to use, especially for Kanban-style workflows. It also has a simple and intuitive user interface, and it's good for visual task management. And of course, with the flip side, ClickUp can have a steep learning curve. The sheer number of features can sometimes be overwhelming depending on the user. Trello, on the other hand, also with the cons, is limited in its core functionality. It also relies heavily on power-ups for advanced features, and it's less customizable than ClickUp. In conclusion, if you need a customizable, feature-rich tool with multiple views and robust automation, ClickUp is the better choice for you. If you prefer a simple visual Kanban-style workflow and ease of use, then Trello is ideal. Ready to get started? Explore ClickUp and Trello further by clicking the links in the description below. Do let us know your choice, and thanks for watching.